welcome back to our podcast. Today we will be talking.
Today we'll be talking about GPT-4o. What happened now is Khushi just got fumbled, and while discussing about the topic, because the topic is about GPT-4o, and she got fumbled because the thing is so heavy that she couldn't take it anymore. Right, Khushi? Right?
Yes, you are right.
So what this GPT-4o is all about? So why are you freaked out after hearing the news of GPT-4o? Why?
I am scared of tech. That's
Because Khushi is now replaceable by GPT-4o.
Yes.
Yes. So I can talk with GPT-4o instead of her. That's
Yes.
why she fumbled, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, so drop the news. What happened? Like when did they launched and what is actually GPT-4o? What do you think it is? So what is like you know about ChatGPT?
Yes, I know.
So then you are still freaked out about it.
I am.
So,
Can't you
okay.
see?
Yes. So what was what is the model you are using on ChatGPT?
3.5.
And then what is GPT-4?
ChatGPT 4 is basically based on real-time
No,
conversations.
I am talking about 4. 4
Oh, so
and
4 and 4o is different.
yep.
So 4 में it has web access.
4 में it has web access. 4 is more powerful model. And the day GPT-4o is launched, it was not a newer model. It was actually a faster model than GPT, way faster than GPT-4, GPT 3.5 obviously. So that was the big news. And if you see if you are using ChatGPT Plus, now you are getting the option to use GPT-4o for free. And why it is a big news? What do you think?
Because it is a big deal, I think.
Why? You have seen the launch promo and you have read the blogs and everything.
Yes.
So why it is a big deal?
Because ऐसा पहले कभी हुआ नहीं था.
क्या नहीं हुआ? What is it? Like our audience,
Like
whoever it is there.
we can talk with, communicate with chat like GPT-4o,
हाँ, वो तो
and
अभी भी
it
करते
can
थे.
see
हम्म.
like everything around
Hmm.
us. We can show it.
हाँ, वो पिक्चर भी देख सकता था, वो भी था. That was able to वो ability GPT-4 में पहले से था कि to generate text, to see text, give feedback.
But that was
everything.
not real time, no.
हाँ, तो real time means so the ability of GPT-4 is it's way too fast now. 4o is faster model, a more lightweight model than GPT-4. So if it's lightweight, it means it requires less computing power to operate. तो एक्चुअली में OpenAI के लिए इसको चलाने का खर्चा बहुत कम आएगा. सो इट विल बी एक्सेसिबल मोर. इसलिए वो इसको फ्री में दे रहे हैं अभी.
Okay.
लेटर ऑन द लेटेस्ट स्टेजेस विल गेट इट. इसका भी थोड़ा कैपिंग है, लाइक यू कैन नॉट यूज इट फॉर द होल डे और एवरीथिंग. देयर आर कैपिंग.
The limit is there.
Limit is there for the paid users. There is also a limit, but it's 5 times more usage. But आगे जाके वो कहीं पे वो लिमिट नहीं रहेगी. वो और भी कम है. फिर GPT-4 चलाने के लिए उनको ज़्यादा खर्चा है, GPT-3 चलाने के लिए उनको ज़्यादा खर्चा है,
Okay.
GPT-4 के लिए उनको कम खर्चा है. एंड विद दैट मिनिमम स्पेंड दे आर गिविंग यू द मोस्ट ऑफ द एबिलिटीज. तो जो भी कन्वर्सेशन होगा, कम्युनिकेशन, इट कैन नाउ रीड फाइल्स एंड इट लाइक यू कैन ट्राई इट. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हैव द एक्सेस टू GPT-4 राइट नाउ. यू कैन ओपन ChatGPT and see you can upload any type of files, any type of it can be PDF, it can be docs, it can be images, any kind of thing, and it can analyze it. It can give you the predictions based on it. And the next thing is that you're talking about, which is a real-time conversation. So the ChatGPT app on Android or iOS, it will be based on like the communication we do in real time. So normally human interactions में जब हम लोग बात करते हैं किसी से, तो सपोज आई एम आस्किंग यू क्वेश्चन एंड उसका तुम जब रिप्लाई देते हो उसका डिले रहता है अराउंड 300 सेकेंड, 300 मिली सेकेंड्स का, राइट. तो द डिले विथ GPT-4 मॉडल इज अराउंड 233 मिली सेकेंड्स टू 320 मिली सेकेंड्स. तो उस बीच में रहता है. सो विच इज एकदम सिमिलर टू ह्यूमन कन्वर्सेशन. तो लाइक इफ आई कैन सो द थिंग अबाउट प्रॉम्प्टिंग दैट गोज आउट ऑफ द पिक्चर, कि मुझे भी प्रॉम्प्ट नहीं करना है ChatGPT को, मुझे अभी जाकर उससे बात करना है सीधा सीधी. और साथ में लाइक इट कैन सी ऑल द थिंग्स. लाइक आई कैन open my camera, I can point it out to things ki what is this, what tell me about it, how can I do this. I don't have to rely on YouTube videos only कि कुछ
I have to tie a shoelace for
आई have to
example.
shoelace या फिर मेरा बाइक पंक्चर हो गया, अभी उसको मैं देख सकता हूँ कि उसको कैसे फिक्स करना है, या फिर जो भी नॉर्मल जो डे टू डे यूसेज में कुछ ये करना है कि मेरे पास ये सारे आइटम्स है रेसिपीज़ के लिए, मुझे क्या अभी करना है. सो एवरीथिंग विल बी like it's kind of like the movies, okay, silent
Yes.
movies that you have seen, okay. So that's why Sam Altman tweeted her, ठीक है,
Yes.
just he tweeted her in the tweets. और उसके साथ बहुत सारे कंसर्न्स भी आ सकते हैं कि like हाँ, like there are some job roles that might be in effect. For example, firstly transcribers or teleprompters जो है normally कि like you can the people who translate things for other people generally, तो वो एक जो है that becomes easily app like Duolingo और उनका जो stock है that became that got really hard. Most of the language वहाँ पे है, तो that thing is going to be a really big deal. And जो conversation में भी एक और चीज़ है, it's not the discussions that ChatGPT is going to do with you is not it's linear basis कि हाँ hi my name is ये, the flow, the tone of the voice
It is very human like.
right.
And they also laugh between
They also love.
conversations.
You can also make them sing certain things, certain
In
tone,
different voice also.
in different
And
voice. Yes, different tones. So the whole thing is really fluid, really fast. So in summary, if we have to explain ki what GPT-4 is, it's fast AF. So on the next stage, like after that, there is a Google keynote also. We also discuss that on a different topic. So there is also a project Astra, but they haven't launched it for the public. But GPT-4 is already there for us to explore. So you can simply go to ChatGPT and give it a shot. Just you can just play around with the files right now. I don't think you can talk with GPT at this
No,
moment.
not right.
So like you can search for to our listeners, if you have any, you can search for GPT-4o. You can get to the page and see there are few demos provided by them. Official page से ही है. You can get through the videos and see where things are going. And don't be afraid of it. If you're just using it properly, you can get things out of it. Okay. So that was the news that we had to cover today. Next day we are probably going to cover about Google Keynote. Okay. Right then. Anything, Kushi?
No, not anything else.
Okay. So you are going to keep fumbling.
Yeah.
Okay. So if Kushi keeps fumbling, we are going to have GPT-4o on our next podcast most probably. Okay. Alright. Thanks for listening.